What's going on, guys? So today is not the most exciting thing you can do to a vehicle, but today we picked up some WeatherTech floor mats for our Focus ST. So guys, let's get these installed and see how they look. So first thing, I did not want the WeatherTechs that rose up to the side. I feel like those WeatherTechs do not hold their shape for long periods of time. I feel like they end up getting like deformed and causing your brake pedal or your accelerator pedal to stick. I've had issues in the past, so I tried to avoid those WeatherTech mats that ride up the side. So I really was looking for a pair of these. I do not like to buy rubber floor mats new just because of how expensive they are. So I have been looking since I got this car, because this is one of the first things I like to do to a vehicle when I get it. I finally found some, and I went and picked them up last night, and I got these for a steal, guys. But if you're looking for new, I will link some Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. If you click and purchase at no extra cost to you, it does help the channel out. But guys, with that being said, I'm going to show you what the carpet floor mats look like, and then we're going to get these installed. All right, there's your standard mat. And like I said, guys, do not be the person that leaves their carpet mats and puts the rubber on top. They're not meant to do that. They snap in with these things. So make sure if you're installing rubber mats, guys, just take the carpet out and get rid of it. Or you don't have to get rid of it, but don't be the person that stacks them, because that's how accidents happen as well. So all right, let's get this rubber one installed. All right, let's see how well we can do this one-handed. So right there, this is going to snap into place, and right here that snaps right in. And guys, already I will go ahead and tell you, I love this. I love how there is something protecting this, because with the factory mat, nothing rolled up and protected this. And I also like how the rubber doesn't go past the pedals. So huge plus in my opinion. I'm really liking these so far. So this is obviously the most important mat, the driver side mat. So here's what that looks like compared to the carpet. All right. Off to the passenger side. Let that settle so you can see it. Boom. There they are side by side. Oh yeah. Guys, those fit and look really nice. I'm very pleased with these. Right rear. So here's the carpet on top of the rubber. As you can see, the rubber's a little bit longer. So very nice indeed. This is for the right rear. A little dark in here, so it'll take a second for the camera to focus. Boom. Alright guys, and last but not least, and I eventually want to get the cargo mat for in here. Like I said, I'm just trying to find it used before I spend $100 and something or $200 on the brand new one. Boom. Looks fantastic. Alright guys, short and sweet video. Like I said, I think this is one of the more important things you can do to a vehicle. All-weather mats or rubber floor mats in general. Just so you can protect your investment, especially with driving a stick shift. The left foot on the clutch tends to rub a hole in the carpet. So I think weather mats are a must to invest in. Like I said, I always try to find used before I buy new. But I got lucky on these and got a really good deal. Well, alright guys, that's where I'm going to end today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I'll link these in the description box below. Click on them at no extra charge to you. You do help the channel out. Make sure you're following all our social medias, guys. TikTok, Instagram. I'll link all that in the description box below. Make sure you check out pandamotorworks.com. Use code BLewis. Guys, until next time.